Let's welcome our survival expert, who's been in countless near-death experiences, from fighting bears to strangling snakes. Nature Dude.
Nature Dude here. We're surviving out here in the deep, deep weeds, in the woods, where you never see anything. We're gonna be surviving out here with the... Oh, is that a wild animal? It's a wild animal! Wild animal! Oh, it's just my friend. Let's go back. All we have for cover is my good friend Buddy the tree, and all those weeds. And the wild animal.
First, Nature Dude must find a way to build a shelter if he is going to survive the harsh elements.
First up, shelter. Now, how does this work? It's broken. Okay. Well, if it's broken, how are we gonna survive? Oh, yeah, maybe that's how.
Now, Nature Dude has to spark his way to survival by starting a fire with nothing but some sticks.
Next up, we got fire. Perfect every time!
And just when everything seemed to be going fine and dandy, catastrophe striked.
Oh, I forgot something. You've got to be kidding me.
Now, Nature Dude must survive a night in the wilderness and sleep under the stars. After the bitter, cold, harsh, sleepless night, Nature Dude reflects on his life.
So, I had a great day. It was wonderful. First, we started a fire. It was beautiful. All I did was strike the match. Like, it wasn't even a match. Like, I took the sticks and I did like 3 rubs and bam, fire. That's how good that was. Spider. And then I slept in my camper and it was beautiful. It was a wonderful sleep. There's a noise. There's a bear. Please, God, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't want to lie about my day. I just did it for the views. I wanted money. I'm sorry.
Will Nature Man survive, and what happens next? Tune in to find out. Set your VCRs to Nature Dude's survival show. Until then, goodbye, my friends, and good luck.